Okay, things outside look worse than they actually are. The torso is almost ready to be mounted. I just have to re-secure the head, mount the door, and then it'll be all set. I put a pair of casters directly in front, in between the two on either side, because as I was getting in it in the previous version, the entire torso had a tendency to roll forwards and backwards, you know, kind of like the angle it is right now. But with the addition of two casters directly in the front, you know, like right here, but about 2 feet down, and in the back, that should fix the issue. But, you know, it gets dark early and that sucks during the fall, but hey, it's not going to stop me from working on my giant robot. So, until next time, bye-bye.